Stephen Richards' heated defamation lawsuit against Kari Lake is back in front of a judge. Last month, she defaulted on the case, admitting that she defamed Richard after his involvement in the 2022 election as the Maricopa County recorder. But this fight is still far from over. 12 News journalist Erica Stapleton was in court for the latest showdown. Erica?
Yeah, Mark, neither Kari Lake nor Stephen Richard were in court today, but their attorneys were, and they argued about next steps and a timeline that could cut close to the November election. Maricopa County Recorder Stephen Richards' lawsuit against Kari Lake, a fight from the jump. The current U.S. Senate hopeful lost Arizona's governor's race to Katie Hobbs in 2022. And the lawsuit accuses Lake of making false statements about Richard in the election aftermath. Statements that allegedly subjected him to vitriol and death threats. Last month, after the Arizona Supreme Court gave the green light for the lawsuit to go forward towards trial, Lake's team went into default in the lawsuit, essentially admitting to Richard's claims of defamation.
The facts are admitted.
But the fighting continues. Richard's side has claimed damages could be in the millions, something Lake's team has denied. Her attorneys want the case to go right to a damages hearing. But Richard's attorney is asking the judge for a discovery phase so they can, in part, access some of Lake's electronic records, like emails, to better determine the extent of the damage. Their pitch: this is not just about money lost, it's about reputation.
What we need discovery on is the reach and impact of these false statements that they have admitted were false.
Lake's attorney saying it's not his burden to prove the extent of Richard's allegations, and that Richard's been bragging on social media.
This is just a way to try to continue what we think this case has been about from the start, sideline Miss Lake from the Senate campaign.
When we asked Richard's attorney about the bragging claim after court, he laughed it off. As for what to expect, the judge needs to decide what kind of hearing will come next and when that will be. He said he hopes to have the decision out soon. Erica Stapleton, 12 News.